Okay, so we have our two charts set up. We got a bio chart and a data chart. It's much easier to do this if you have fake data to see which direction the chart goes in to see if it works or not. You can always delete this at the end if you don't need it. I just realized that there's a spelling mistake in here. See where it says leave VOC mail, all right, instead of voicemail. It's actually a pretty easy fix. You can just go in and VOI, make that switch. Now it's not going to switch on all of them down here, but tab, if I was to go over to it now, it will have the correct spelling, all right? So if you do notice any errors, you can easily fix them. Okay, so let's go up to Power Pivot, our new thing here. All right, so Power Pivot, what it does, it enables you to connect data and create what's known as a pivot table. So you want to click on the Power Pivot ribbon, and remember we got that file. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know quite what happened. There was just a little glitch. But we go back to Power Pivot. We're in Power Pivot. Remember to get to it, File, Options, Add-ins, and then we went down to the COM add-ins. Go check the box. All right. Okay, so we're in Power Pivot. First thing we need to do is click the button Manage up in the corner here. Go to the Power Pivot window. All right. This usually takes a second or two for it to pull the information. And you can see that it's thinking. And then you have this new window pop up. Okay, so I have this information right here, and you notice that it is different than the information we have on the screen. All right, so our biographical information are these names, and then over here in the Power Pivot window, I have these other names. I did this before on another Excel file, just kind of a test run to see if it would work. And I used, for some reason, I had the database I sent to Shore, the student with the last name Shore in class. So whenever you get this, you just need to click refresh. It says success, close. All right, data model has changed. All right, and then you notice now we have our information. Although for some bizarre reason, it is somewhat out of order. All right, especially right here. So let's see. We can take this and, oh, actually, no, I'm going to leave this here. Okay, cancel. Can we move year? No, it looks like it's, oh, there we go. So we'll move year over to here. Move period, whoops, over here. And then we'll take phone. Not really sure why it did that. That's kind of weird. We'll put it right there. Okay, so now we pulled it into Power Pivot. All right, now our next step would be to link the information together. And I'll show you how to do that in the next.